Liability insurers and self-insured defendants have a legitimate interest in taking all necessary steps to comply with Section 111. First, in response to the new law, the insurance industry has already invested millions of dollars to build an infrastructure for the supply of required data to CMS under Section 111. Liability insurers and self-insured defendants have a new area of potential liability, the violation and resulting penalties. And naturally, RREs must take care to avoid that liability and, as importantly, support implementation of the new law and the legitimate interests of HHS that led to it. For self-insureds, especially small family-owned businesses, it's important to have an informed and conscientious employee who administers the company's compliance with 111. The employee who serves as the RRE agent must be well-versed in his company's responsibilities under the law and the mechanics of reporting to CMS. As to reporting applicability for self-insureds, you should be aware that the category includes partial self-insureds, such as via a deductible. The duty to reimburse and the duty to report are integrally related. So there's a lot of overlap. This is a mandatory reporting seminar, but it just doesn't exist outside of the context of the reimbursement issues, as you've already picked up today.